Hi, in front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now yellow. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same tile again. If you wish to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on the Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to enable or disable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!